To COVID-19 now. Since the introduction of vaccines last year, El Paso County estimates that 75 to 85% of all deaths from the virus can be attributed to people who were either unvaccinated or had only one dose.
Tonight, an El Paso County family that lost a loved one to COVID is urging families to keep that in mind and do what they can to keep loved ones alive. Investigative reporter Dan Beatty joins us live in studio after sitting down with them today. Dan.
38-year-old Kyle Spiller died from COVID-19 in April of last year. His mother tells me he was a prime target for the deadly disease, not just because he was more than 100 pounds overweight, but because he refused to get vaccinated.
If you give a fat rat's patootie about your family, get the damn vaccine.
Christina Phillips is deadly serious, and for good reason. Her son Kyle Spiller passed away from COVID-19 related symptoms last year.
Really funny. Very loyal. He had a lot of friends.
Phillips says her son downplayed COVID and ignored her request to get the vaccine.
He was a Trump supporter who believed that it was just another version of a flu. And this let him not get vaccinated because he was so needle phobic.
After testing positive for COVID-19 in March of 2021, Kyle's family knew it was going to be a battle. Over 17 days, Spiller was in 3 different hospitals.
Remdesivir, intubated, ECMO, dialysis, everything they had, they threw at him, and nothing helped.
But on April 6, 2021, Kyle Spiller passed away. Family was at his bedside.
I'd like to start by walking you through today's data.
Earlier this month, Dr. Rochelle Walensky with the CDC continued to reinforce the importance of getting vaccinated with data from a new study.
Unvaccinated individuals were 97 times more likely to die compared to those who were boosted.
But Phillips says the deaths are only a small part of the suffering.
Maybe 3 people, conservatively, maybe 3 people for every person who died has been negatively impacted. And since the vaccine has come along, unnecessarily negatively impacted.
Kyle's mother says she isn't sure how many people will actually get vaccinated after this story airs. But if Kyle's story changes just one person's mind, then she'll be content. Reporting live in the studio, Dan Beatty, 13 Investigates.